Okay, last video for Lechon. Here it is. It's about 7 or 8 hours later, and I broke the Lechon down, and it's kind of crisping up here. I turned the oven up to 405 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. I'm going to press pause, pull it out, and resume the video. Okay, so the Lechon is done. It's got some nice crisp edges here. Sitting in its bed of pork fat and all the good stuff right here. So this is Lechon. It was in the oven for 7.5 hours. I put it in at 3 o'clock. I started it off at 300 for 2 hours at 300. Then I did 2 hours at 250. Then I cranked it back up again to 300. And then for the last hour, it's been at about 400. And what that does is it kind of crisp it up. What I did was about an hour and a half ago, I cut it all up in the chunks, and I pulled the bone out, and then I kind of let it. I kept turning it every half hour. I'd get back in there and turn it and crisp up all the sides and stuff, and let it sit down there in its good juices and that oil and shit. And I kept hitting it with some Goya adobo because you want this shit to be salty, man. In fact, we're gonna hit this motherfucker again. There we go. And that's Lechon. It doesn't get much better than this. I remember my friend Tony Badea, Tony Boom Boom Badea from Chicago, DJ. His wedding, his family made Lechon for the reception. That shit was dope. I mean, we had arroz con pollo, arroz con gandules. They had Lechon. It was a straight up Puerto Rican wedding, man, and it was delicious. So anyway, this was Lechon, and I am out.